Hi beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this super easy swoop bun with the, the curly bun. I don't know, it's easy, something to do in quarantine, something you need extra hair for. Let's get into it. I'm so in love. Starting out on freshly washed hair, this is my hair. Y'all don't really see it, but you know, here my bald headed ass is. I'm gonna go ahead and start using my Texture ID styling cream. I only did this because of the video, because child, this was real life. It would have just been some conditioner in my hair, and that would have been it. But instead, we got conditioner and this Texture ID styling cream. We're gonna care about our hair a little bit for the video, you feel me? Now I'm gonna get my part together for the section that's gonna be in the front. Just making sure it's where I want it. You can put it wherever you want, girl. Some people like a deeper part, some people like a higher part. It's up to you. It's your world. It's your bun. Do what you want. And then I'm gonna use my edge booster in the scent citrus. It's good. I've been trying different scents every time, and I know I said that gel was booty, but that edge control is definitely not. I don't know what they did with that gel, but this edge control, one of the best edge controls. And I'm not even an edge control kind of person. So enough of that. I'm just getting my section together for the swoop in the front. It doesn't have to be perfect because it will be covered up on the side. And then I'm really aggressively combing my hair. I don't know why I was. Damn, bitch, it's cool. Calm down. And I'm gonna braid it up after I aggressively comb it. I notice you'll see that piece of hair get into it. I'm gonna notice that piece of hair that got into it, and later on. I just didn't notice at this point. And so once my hair is all braided up, it's time to get started on the back section. I'm using this spray bottle I got some from Sally's. Love this spray bottle. My favorite spray bottle. It's great. It's amazing. It mists out everything. It like continuously mists. I don't know. I spent $10 on it. I always say I spent $10 on it because it was one of the best $10 purchases I've ever made in my life. Period. I'm gonna use, except for a gram for me. Ignore me. I'm using a hard bristle brush, and I don't know, girl. I like to mention that my hair is a lot thinner when it's wet than when it's dry. It gets really thick. So it's really easy for me to just brush my hair up into where I want it before the gel, and then I put my gel on after I get it in its position. I'm not sure exactly how your hair works for you, but I just know this works for me. So however you need to get your hair in that ponytail, baby, do what you gotta do. Make it happen, make it work. I believe in you. Get your hair into that high ponytail. And so then you can grab your dirty ass soft brush to smooth everything out. And if you don't have a dirty ass soft brush, what are you doing with your life? Are you even a black girl? Get you a dirty ass soft brush. I'm clowning. I'm gonna take my edges out because I think it's just easier to have them out so you can just swoop them back in instead of having to pull them back out, because you feel me, these ain't even baby hairs, these is my adult hairs, but you feel me, we gotta make work what we gotta do, you feel me? So I'm sorry, it is late, y'all. I always record my voiceovers when it's late, and I just be talking. And don't forget the other sideburn. You don't want to have only one sideburn. You're going to feel like you look like stupid. And nobody wants to look like stupid. Put your hair up in that bun. At this point, baby, if you want to put your real hair into a bun, you sure can. But baby, I'm bald headed. I'm not doing that. But if you got enough hair to put it in a bun, go ahead. Do it. This is where you can stop with your bun. At this point, style your bun as needed. I'm going to do my edges with that same edge control. And it's just so great. It just smoothed everything out. Like, it really made me a believer in edge control because I used to not be one. Hated edge control for most of my life. Here I am, using it. Going back on what I said. If you haven't tried this edge control, I totally recommend it. It's amazing. So once my edges are laid, I'm gonna unbraid a little section. And I do want to mention that braiding the section before you're or not just sectioning it off with like a clip or something, but braiding it, it keeps it kind of detangled, so it's easier to smooth it out. Detangling this section and keeping it detangled is one of the most important things I can recommend. Okay, and at this point, I don't know how long it took me to do this. I want to say it took me like 10 minutes, so I'm not even going to make y'all sit there and watch me do it. Honestly, it took me forever because I just am such a perfectionist. It could have been over for real, but I just keep brushing it, brushing it, brushing it, hoping it do a little something different, but it don't. And just know you can stop. You can stop. You don't have to keep going. But you know, if you like me and you want it to be nice and you want it to be perfect, keep going. I did it for like a smooth 10 minutes, so here it is, sped up to a smooth 45 seconds for y'all. But y'all, it didn't last 45 seconds. It lasted like 10 minutes. And I also want to say, if you see me looking a little mad, I don't know if I looked mad in this video, but I guess I looked chill. I was pretty chill. I was listening to SZA's live. SZA's been having daily live this week for like meditation and stuff. Loved it. I was chilling. I was breathing and stuff. It was great. I was having a great time, even though it does not look like it. I also have a frequency music playlist on my channel. If you're interested, if you don't know now, I really recommend you listening to frequency music. It really calms you down. I love to listen to it when I'm getting ready. Anytime, just saying, just want to throw that out there. If you saw how I wrapped that up, you're going to see how I finished it up. I didn't use a single bobby pin for this bundle. And I also want to say you really don't even need a bundle if you don't have one. This is supposed to be an easy, like, anybody can do this tutorial. If you have any hair that you have laying around, go ahead and use it. Braiding hair, bundle hair, your own hair, some hair that you found on the ground somewhere, you feel me? Anything, you make it work. I did this bun 2 different ways. This is like the kind of plain way. This is like I just threw my hair in a bun, you feel me? That's what this one is giving really natural, I just threw a ponytail holder in it. That's what it's giving. And that's what, this bun was. I didn't really fuck with it. It's fine. She was cute. But we're going to do a little something dramatic. We're going to do a little something extra, you feel me? Because that's the kind of person that we are. So then I undid it and redid it again. In this version, I don't even know what to tell you to help you out. Baby, I threw about 15, 11 burr bands in there. I wrapped around the individual strands, which you'll see coming up. I wrapped around those strands just to give it like a raised look. I don't know how to describe it, but I love when people can do those buns with their natural hair, so I tried to emulate this with this bundle. This hair is from Kalahi Hair. This isn't a sponsored video. I just had this bundle laying around. I do like this kinky curly hair. I used it in that Sweetie tutorial, and I also have a high ponytail tutorial on my channel. It's really good hair, but that has nothing to do with this video. This is just me using it. I'm now going to wet the little curls and twirl more on my finger so it looks good. I like pulling some curls out my bun. I think it looks like so messy, natural. I just threw it together. I love that look, even though that's not at all what happened. This hairstyle took me 20 minutes to do, but we love to look effortless even when it's not. You feel me? Okay. So doing some more twisting and pulling. All this bun is just making sure it's what you want. And so then once you get it finalized, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Show me your buns. Tag me on IG. Love to see it. Bye, beautiful. Mwah.